Hi there everyone. We're gonna go driving. Now I'm in a parking lot and I'm parked with the front in, and now I'm gonna leave and drive to the, what's that, the right. So anyway, firstly I start the vehicle and then I get rid of my parking brake, place the gear selector to reverse, check like crazy everywhere. Now I'm backing up, then driving to the right, so I'm just gonna check like crazy everywhere, and I don't start turning the wheel until the dash is at the end of this vehicle or that vehicle. So just about now I can start turning the wheels all the way to the left and then check like crazy all around. I have my student in the car. Have enough room, place to drive, turn the wheels to the right, and then I'm gonna enter the parking lot. And of course you don't need any real speed in the parking lot, just the idle speed is sufficient to get you out of the parking lot. Okay, so we're gonna go to the right out here, signal to the right, and check to the right, check to the left also, turn to the right, and I could be hit by a car coming this way, so I do my checking, and then I put my left signal on, do the checking again, left, right, and it's safe, so now I can go. And we're making a right turn out of here. There's no stop sign, but all I have to do is check to the left and right and then proceed. Speed here is 40 kilometers an hour. And it's gonna be a left turn at the next street, so I put the left signal on, stay close to the center line. Is it safe for me to make that turn? I could, but I have to play it safe. Now that person walking the dog, they have the right of way. No, come. Yeah, let them go. They have the legal right of way. Now I look over my left shoulder and it's safe, so now I can make my turn. And at the stop sign ahead, it's gonna be a right turn. Signal right, and we have a white line. When I don't see the line, that's my stopping position. There. It's a three-way. 1, 2, 3. You check left, right, and it's good. So now, hand over hand steering to the right. Next street down, it's a right turn. Check the mirror and the blind spot over the right shoulder. And I'm just gonna pull over here and make a complete stop. So I signal to the right, check mirror and shoulder. This is someone's driveway, so obviously I can't block it. And this is the post office, so I have to leave space for vehicles to go there, and I'm good just about here. Apply the parking brake, gear selected to park, turn the ignition off, and then I can exit the car. This is a short lesson, but I hope you picked up a couple of tips. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do. See you in the next video. Thank you.